Telegram. Boasting millions of active users, Telegram bills itself as the fastest messaging app around. It works across devices on mobile and desktop platforms. WhatsApp. One of the most used messaging apps in the world, WhatsApp is very easy to set up and it's free. You can chat and share things like your location, photos, documents, and contacts. Facebook. Facebook has its own separate messaging app that makes it very convenient to chat with friends and family. Viber. With more than 1 billion users worldwide, this popular app will automatically add your contacts. It allows you to send text messages, stickers, and emoticons, make video and voice calls, and share your favorite photos. WeChat. WeChat is the most popular app in China with more than 1 billion users. It offers the usual messaging app features like photo sharing, or video and voice calls. Signal. Signal, from Open Whisper Systems, is one of the most highly recommended apps when it comes to chat encryption and security. This app has military-grade encryption for all your messaging and voice calls. Snapchat. Snapchat may have dipped in popularity of late, but it was a big hit with the young crowd and celebrities alike. It allows you to share photos and videos that self-destruct. GroupMe. The focus of this app, as the name suggests, is group chats, but you can also have one-on-one conversations with direct messages. GroupMe allows you to add up to 500 members to a group chat.